Have you got yourself a Lokklatch Deluxe and over time it's become difficult to open? If you find that the lever on the rear is a bit stiff and that the button at the front takes a considerable amount of effort to open, what you'll find is that your gate has sagged over time. It only needs to be by a few millimeters, and this will cause your latch bar to no longer line up with the locking mechanism. As you can see here, the latch bar no longer sits nicely in the middle of the locking mechanism. The gate's only dropped by a few millimeters and it's causing problems. This is very common and nothing to be alarmed about, so let's get things all lined up again, shall we? You will not need to adjust anything on the locking mechanism. We'll take a look at the latch bar here. You'll see 4 screws and they are screwed into oval shaped holes which will allow you to make micro adjustments when required. All you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver or drill if you have one. All we're going to do here is back off the screws by a smidgen. This will allow us to adjust the latch bar. You'll need to do this for both the back screws and the side screws. Now we can freely move the latch bar up and down. Position the latch bar so that it sits nicely in the middle of the locking mechanism. It might take a little bit of wiggling around to get it right. Once you're happy with the position of the latch bar, grab your screwdriver and fasten the rear screws nice and tight. Now it's time to open up the gate and fasten those side screws as well. Now your Lokklatch Deluxe should be as good as new and operate silky smooth. Run a few tests to make sure everything is the way it's supposed to be, and then sit back and enjoy a job well done.